Hello guys and welcome. Today I will tell you a few things to do if you have unresponsive touches on your Android screen. So if you have unresponsive touches, the folders doesn't work for you, like the apps and any other touches, just start from the resetting device. Just hold the power button and go to the restart. If that way doesn't work for you, check that your device have a screen protector. If you have any screen protector, just remove it and try to check your display again. The next way is just simply restart your phone and turn on it into the safe mode. If you have a similar problem in the safe mode, that is a problem with your hardware of your phone. And the last one is just factory reset your phone, but remember you lost all data, so make a backup before. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.